Oh man, he has just gotten so good at swimming. It took forever for him to get up the courage to come in, but now he's good. The swimming entry is always rough because there's some splashing. Oh no. What a good swimmer. Dieter is not so into it. Plus we don't have a life jacket. Gunter couldn't probably swim very, I mean he could, but not as well without it.
Get over here.